G'day guys, it's John from theproductivegarden.com, and as you can tell by the way I'm dressed, it's time to be checking the beehive again. So I'll open it up. All I'm going to be doing is looking at the honey super just to see how much honey they've got. So I'll open them up, have a look, and we'll see how they've gone over winter. It's late August here, so that's the end of winter here in Australia. We're about to head into spring, and in fact today's like a lovely spring day anyway, and the bees are very busy. So I'll just get out of their flight path. They're sort of coming over my head, and we'll open this up and have a look. Let's give them a bit of smoke. Okay, so we'll just ease the top up. Stuck down with a fair bit of propolis over the winter. Oh, hang on, probably not so stuck down after all. Should undo these clips. So okay, this will be much easier now. There you go. So I'll just give them a bit of smoke. Let that do its thing. Looked like there was a bit of activity up the top there, so see how they go. Rightio. Alright, so I can see just looking down here, the frames aren't full, but there is I think there is a fair bit of honey coming in, so we'll just lift one of these frames up and have a look. So I'll lift it from this end. Okay, so let's see how they're going. So looks like they're actually cleaning the honey out of this one, by the looks of it. There's a little bit of nectar in there. Not really anything in that side. So we'll just shake these guys in here. I'll just set this frame aside while to make some room to look at the rest. That'll stir them up. We might just give them a little bit of smoke. Rightio. Yeah, nothing at all in that one. A little bit of capped honey in this one here. Don't know what's happened to these ones that are waxed over. You can see, and that was on the other ones as well. You can sort of see these ones here that are sort of waxed over, and this is capped honey here. So I'm not sure what's gone on there. Rightio. This frame here, if I remember right, was barely even drawn last time, and they've actually seemed to have put a hole in the middle of it. No honey in there, but they have drawn out the comb. So there you go. So while they've been pretty busy here bringing in some honey, they're not bringing in enough to fill up this top super yet, which I am sort of surprised about, because they have been very busy. They've obviously been using a lot of the honey out of here, because a lot of these were consolidated down the bottom with capped honey. In fact, it looks like It looks like they've even been chewing some of this wax off by the looks of it. So that's interesting. Anyway, I'll look at a couple more frames. Look at one more frame and then we'll pack these guys up and leave them be. So yeah, so you can sort of see here, this frame here, you can sort of see where it looks like the wax has actually been eaten in by the bees, I guess. I can't see any sign of wax moth in here. And yeah, it just looks like the bees have been eating the honeycomb away. Maybe they don't like it for some reason. I don't know. This is the end one. Again, it looks like they've eaten some of this honeycomb away. So yeah, I have to work out what's going on there. Might ask some people who know more than me. Anyway, I'll move these back across. Alright, I'll just look at what's going on in this end one. There seems to be a lot of activity on it. Again, like I said, a lot of bees on there. I'm not quite sure what they're doing because can't really see a whole lot of honey in there. There's a bee there with pollen on it. It looks like there's a little bit of nectar in some of those cells. So they're obviously, whether they're putting honey in there, whether they're putting nectar in there, there's just a little bit of nectar in the bottom there. So anyway, I'll put this frame back in and put this frame back in. And I'll let them do their thing. Just push the frames together. And I'll put the top back on. The other way around, I think. Alrighty, so I'll just put this M clip back on. And that'll see them all packed up again. So yeah, I thought there would be a lot more honey in the super there, but they have been bringing in a lot of honey and lots of pollen as well. So we'll keep an eye on them, and like I said, I'll ask about what looks like they've been eating the wax away and that sort of thing. Find out what the people in my bee club think is the go with that, and yeah, we'll make a decision on there and what more to do. I don't really think they need any feeding, but like I said, I'll ask the people who know a bit more what they think should happen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. It wasn't, I don't know if we'd call it interesting, but it was interesting to see that they didn't have as much honey as I thought they would, because they have been really busy over the warm days we have had during winter. Anyway, that's it for now, and until next time, happy productive gardening. Bye.